Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create chatter groups in Salesforce. Chatter groups are a fantastic way to bring teams together, share updates, and collaborate efficiently within your organization. Let's jump right in and get your first group set up. First, you'll want to click on the app launcher. This is the grid icon you'll find in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. The app launcher is your gateway to all the apps and features available in Salesforce, so it's an important starting point for accessing Chatter. Once the app launcher opens, search for Chatter in the search bar and click on it. This will take you directly to the Chatter homepage where you can see feeds, groups, and recent activity from your colleagues and teams. Now look over to the left side panel where you'll see a section labeled Recent Groups. Right beside it, there's a small plus icon. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. This is what initiates the process of creating a brand new Chatter group. A form will appear where you can begin customizing your group. Start by typing your group name in the field labeled Group Name. For example, you might name it Dev if it's for your development team, or use any name that clearly identifies the purpose of the group. Next, type a short description in the description field. This helps members understand what the group is about and what kind of content or discussions they can expect. Keep it clear and concise so everyone knows what they're joining. Now you'll need to select the access type value that best fits your needs. For instance, you can choose public if you want anyone in your organization to see and join the group, or private if you want to control who can access it. This setting determines the visibility and privacy level of your group, so choose carefully based on your collaboration needs. Once you've filled in those details, click Save, and next, Salesforce will save your group settings and move you forward to the next step of the setup process. At this point, you'll have the option to click Upload Image if you'd like to add a group photo. Adding an image helps personalize the group and makes it easier to identify in lists. If you decide to upload one, simply select your image file, and once it's uploaded, click Next to continue. Finally, you'll see a list of people from your organization. Here, you can click Add Next to any individuals you want to include as members of your group right away. If you prefer to add members later or let people join on their own, you can skip this step. Once you're finished adding members, or if you've chosen to skip it, click Done, and there you have it. You've successfully created a chatter group in Salesforce ready for collaboration and communication. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.